Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. If this is your first time checking out my channel, again, my name is Preston. I do reviews of guns and gear primarily, and occasionally I'll throw in some tech stuff as well. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It definitely helps out the channel so that I can continue producing content. So today, guys, we're going to be taking a look at a very interesting holster. And this is really just an unboxing / initial look at the Safariland 578 GLS Pro Fit holster. GLS stands for Grip Locking System, which is very interesting. I'm going to show you how that works in a second. Again, I've not tested this holster out at all. I just want to show you guys what it looks like, and we'll talk about pricing and some of the features. So right now you can pick this holster up for about $50. I got this at Academy Sports. On the side of the packaging, it does say which guns fit into this holster. This is a universal holster, so a bunch of different guns actually fit in the holster. This is what the box looks like. Very nice presentation. Gives you all the information you need on the outside of the packaging. So inside the box, you get the holster itself. Right now I have the paddle attachment attached to the holster. You get all your paperwork and instructions, and you get additional attachments as well as a small Allen wrench to adjust your retention. So let's go ahead and take all these out of the plastic bag. As I said, you do get some additional attachments. This is a belt loop attachment. You can swap off the paddle for that piece right there. You get some additional hardware, some screws, and this little piece right here is designed for your trigger. Every gun does not require that, but some do, and you have to take the holster apart and swap a part out. But I'm not going to do that in this video. I will do it in the full review. And then you get an Allen wrench. Okay, so here's the star of the show. This is the actual holster. Again, it's designed with a paddle on the outside of it right now. You do have an adjustment screw right here. The way this holster works, really quick, this one is designed for the Smith & Wesson SD40 VE or the SD9 holster. Gun goes in like so. Now the way to release the gun is right here. So let me show you from a different angle. So I'm going to naturally draw my gun, and as I do so, my middle finger is going to press down on that lever and it releases the gun, and it's a very natural draw. So let me do it one more time. So it's like so. In the full review, I'm going to show you how it works when I actually draw from a belt. Now, to swap the paddle off with the belt loop attachment, all you do is just pop these two screws out, and you can screw that one on and adjust the cant the way you want to. And again, like I said, they include all the hardware that you need. So that's pretty much it, guys. Again, that's just an unboxing. This is the Safariland 578 GLS Pro Fit Concealment Universal Holster. Stay tuned for the full review. If you guys aren't familiar with Safariland, I'm going to leave the links down below. They make holsters primarily for military as well as law enforcement. Thanks for joining me, guys. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I'm out. Peace.